Hello traders, this is Dan and this is our weekly video review of open ETF positions for the Master Trader ETF Investor Letter dated for the week ending September 21st. We had a great week in the markets and all of our positions are doing wonderfully. We'll go in alphabetical order, daily chart on the left, weekly on the right. This Diamonds, which is the Dow 30 ETF, it was a fantastic setup. It broke out this particular day, pulled in one red day, and that's why we said if it can now ignore this red bar, take out the high of this, it was a beautiful breakout on the daily and weekly charts, and we were predicting all-time highs, which we got. We got the diamonds were up 2.25% last week, and the trade looks fantastic. There's nothing to do. Even though it's a red bar, momentum is slowing. The weekly and monthly still suggest higher prices, but when it does see more signs of stalling, be on the lookout. We will be recommending legging into a covered call to lower our cost basis as a trade management tactic. We bought the ITA, which is the aerospace and defense breakout. That pulled in a little bit, but looks great on all time frames. And just be sure to check the written alerts because we're moving the stops up on some of these. This one, we're moving the stop to break even now. XLF, finally, it's been in a big range, trading range on the daily and weekly chart. Last Wednesday, it finally got moving with yields rising. So the TLT, our bonds, they're falling. That makes yields rise, TBT, and that helps interest rate sensitive sectors like the banks, XLF. This is a financial sector. It's a big reverse head and shoulders on the weekly. We're raising the stop to 28.05, but that looks great now. XLG is our top 50 of the S&P 500 ETF. That also broke out to all-time highs. That looks great. We're raising the stop to 206.92. XLI looks great. All time frames. We're going to raise the stop. And you know, so many of these things we've been in for months now. That's the benefit of our ETF long-term trader, where we intend to be in these weeks and months looking for bigger targets, wider stops, proper trade management, with trailing pivots and using options, etc. So that looks great. XPH, we've been in this position since June 25, way the heck down here at 44.46, and we stopped out of half right at this breakout failure. That's what we were concerned about because the weekly was extended. So we made almost 11% in 10 weeks on a half lot. Hopefully this is going to hold right now. The rising 50-period moving average. There's support here on this bottoming tail, which was a shakeout, a false breakdown. And now we have 3 down weeks and a bullish uptrend on the weekly. So we're going to move the stop to the week's low on that. And it looks great. XTL in a trading range again, but no adjustments needed on that. That's it. These are all great positions. We're going to be looking for more, of course. And as always, feel free to email me, Dan@mastertrader.com, Greg@mastertrader.com. Good trading, everyone, and see you next week.